Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Rhonda and today is my 4th day for Vlogmas. And I'm really excited about the new clay pens I've been making, and right now I'm doing a watercolor with the Prima Watercolors in the Pastel collection, and I thought this was just a fun little watercolor painting to do for my new bullet journal. And so it's very it's not very bright, and especially I think because of the way I edited the video, it's a little bit muted, but the colors are really actually very pretty. And I added some gold watercolor to it, and so now I'm just gonna stick it in my bullet journal. And here's just a flip through of what I've been doing for the Vlogmas series, so if you want to go back and watch any of those videos where I make those pages, feel free to do that. And I'm adding just a little bit more gold watercoloring detail, which is kind of hard to see with such a bright with the brightness of the video. But these are some little tiny mini not watercolor, but paintings I got from Thailand, and I got them out because I wanted to put them in the bullet journal, but I ended up not using them this time. But they are really pretty, so I decided to go ahead and show them to you anyway. So now I'm going to be putting the backs on my pens, and then I'm going to glaze the backs of the pens. In a separate video, I glazed the front. So I'm using this I think it's E600 glue. It works really well. It's very strong, a very strong adhesive, and so just put a tiny bit on the pen, and then I'm gonna attach them to the clay pens. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. And here are my two pins that I didn't get a chance to do yesterday, so I'm going to actually put a little bit of my resin, my UV resin, in this tub, and I'm gonna glaze the tops of these. So when you use UV resin, you want to be in a very well ventilated area, and you want to use gloves so that you don't get the resin on your skin. And then in order to take out the bubbles of the resin, you use the lighter, and the heat will take out the bubbles. The Christmas lights fill the city. So here I created the card backs for my clay pens, and I'm attaching them to the backs, and I think they turned out super cute. I'll probably end up getting a smaller bag for these since it's a little bit smaller, and this bag I have is a tad bit big. And here are some pins I did earlier this month, and I also did the backings for them and thought they turned out really cute. So to finish up today's mini Vlogmas video, I'm going to do just a collage and some more journaling, and I wanted to do a Christmas wreath. So I drew a little circle on the paper, and now I'm going in with and filling it in with some leaves and some berries to make a Christmas wreath. Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed I always have a little bit of trouble with these fountain pens. getting the ink to come out just right and not to have, not to spill it, but I got it to work this time without too much of a mess. And that's it. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.